Good afternoon, and thanks for attending today's webinar, our first of a series to help brokers just like you prospect, sell, and retain more long-term clients. The purpose of today's webinar is to educate you on the Integrated HRA, fully insured, a great product many brokers are calling the best they've ever sold. Plus, this plan is compliant with the National Health Reform. Most brokers know the traditional HRA strategy. Raise your group's current health plan deductibles, which in turn lowers health insurance premiums by 20% or more. Employer commits to reimbursement of the exposure created by the increased deductible. Hopefully, premium savings will exceed claims. Employers shoulder all claims risk. Claims are unknown. Cash flow is always a concern, and it doesn't save the employer enough to be worth the effort. Reduces insurance premiums. That means reducing commissions for brokers, something we brokers never like. Integrated HRA, fully insured, on the other hand, is a new strategy. But as you will see, they are exactly what both brokers and employers have been looking for. They eliminate all employer financial risks, smooth out cash flow concerns, guarantee savings, and they pay brokers full group-like commissions. And they are compliant with National Health Reform. We know you are going to love this new product. We value your time, so let's get started. By designing products that actually fit the needs of group clients, MWG Marketing helps agents across the country prospect better, sell easier, and retain more business than their competitors. The Insured HRA is the best tool we know of that provides dollar savings, enabling you to sell additional products to your clients. Great ideas from our agent partners have been a big factor in our success. We listen to our agents and we react to what they say with improved products and services. This is why we have been so successful in the insurance industry for 25 years. This is how we develop products that actually fit. We know what it is to prospect, sell, and retain business. We are always at your disposal as your backdoor marketing department. We believe you won't find anyone better than us. We are here today because health insurance costs continue to rise, insurance carriers continue to cut our pay, and the government continues efforts to take away all of our commissions. As a result of national health reform, every one of us searches to find new income sources. To stay stagnant is to die economically and professionally. We can help. Today we are discussing one of the most effective tools in the industry, a powerful tool in bringing down the cost of healthcare at the workplace. And unlike the Me Too worksite plans being widely promoted, the Premium Saver does not have the dangerous exclusions and gaps found in those products. This tool frequently reduces health insurance costs as much as 10 to 20%, helps employers retain employer-based health care, can maintain current benefits and current insurance carrier, eliminate all employer risks, and you can explain the strategy in 12 minutes or less. If your prospect or client is actually listening, that's pretty impressive. What is an Insured HRA? MWG's Premium Saver Plan, Insured HRA, is a secondary insurance plan. This product provides the power of the HRA plan design, but does so without the risks and concerns many employers have about establishing HRAs. The Insured HRA is a great alternative where the client needs to save premium costs, and also a great alternative to typical HRA plans. Unlike a typical HRA, our Insured HRA actually pays full group-like commissions, first year and renewal. Does the Insured HRA strategy work? Over 1,800 groups in 28 states currently have this plan in force. The plan is available for sale in 34 states. Many groups renew their coverage with us year after year because they continue to save money. How it works. The key is to drive the cost of the major medical plan down as much as possible. Raise the current plan deductible to $5,000 or more, add our Insured HRA, you now have two plans keeping the same benefits in place for less money. Why does it work? The Insured HRA strategy works because major medical carriers give big discounts for increasing the deductible to $5,000 or more. The Insured HRA has limited risk. The maximum benefit is $9,500. The Insured HRA always has a deductible, a deterrent to overusing the medical plan. At this point, let me assure you that the Insured HRA is acceptable for use with most major medical carriers. Find the best value in a high-deductible major medical plan, normally with a deductible of $5,000 or more. Plan availability and deductible options vary by carrier and state. We recommend combining the Insured HRA with a high-deductible health plan with doctor's office and outpatient prescription drug copayments. The following high-deductible plans are a good value, and they work well with the Insured HRA. $5,000 to $10,000 deductible plans from Blue Cross Blue Shield, United Healthcare, Aetna, Humana, AvMed, Carolina Care, Scott & White. These high-deductible plans have a nice discount from their lower deductible plan options, and they are perfectly set up to save your clients money while providing top-flight coverage. Let's take a look at 3 recent cases so you can see how it works. Case number 1, Equipment Company. This is a 73-person equipment company in Florida with United Healthcare. They were currently offering employees a $1,000 deductible 90/10 plan. Their monthly premiums were $57,938.75, and at renewal, premiums did not increase. Even though there was no renewal rate increase, the agent didn't want to leave any option off the table and recommended moving to the Aetna 100C, $10,000 deductible plan, along with the Insured HRA plan. The result? This was a guaranteed annual savings of $171,815.28. We knew exactly what the savings would be up front. The employer saved money without risk, and the agent made commission on both the United Healthcare and Insured HRA. Everybody won, including the employees. Case number 2, Auto Dealership. This is a 105-person auto dealership in Texas with Blue Cross Blue Shield. They were currently offering employees a $2,500 deductible 80/20 plan. Their monthly premiums were just under $54,000, and at renewal, their premiums moved to $64,000, a 17% increase. In the past, a normal response to the rise in rates might be to increase the deductible to the employees, as they had done in the past. However, we recommended using the BCBS RM33 $7,500 deductible plan along with the Insured HRA plan. The result? The savings generated with the Insured HRA plan were so great that the company chose to lower their deductible to $1,500. Amazingly, instead of increasing the deductible as they had in the past, they were able to lower their deductible back to a prior level and still saved $90,776.16. The agent vastly strengthened his stature with the client. Happy campers indeed. Again, everybody won here. Case number 3. Home for Women is a real eye-opener. This Home for Women in Arizona has 45 employees. They were with United Healthcare on a $500 deductible 80/20 $2,000 coinsurance plan. Their monthly premiums were $25,689.55, increasing to just over $28,000. This $2,600 a month increase would normally be panic mode for this group, but we introduced the Insured HRA concept to them. The result? Because of the great discounts on Humana's $5,000 deductible plan, we were able to whack a 10% increase down to a 3% decrease, which translates into a $40,862.64 annual savings to the group. We also improved the plan by lowering the coinsurance out-of-pocket from $2,000 to $1,000. The agent was the hero, and the group gave a huge sigh of relief in what could have been a devastating renewal. Always good to be a hero. The group saved money, the employee saved money, and the agent now earns commissions from 2 carriers. Win, win, win. So this sounds too good to be true. What's not covered? The list is small. We don't cover professional fees in a doctor's office. That's the charge just for seeing the doctor, not for the services within the office, like lab tests, surgery, etc. We don't cover outpatient prescription drugs. But remember, both office visits and prescription drugs are usually handled by major medical health plan copays, so they are really a non-issue. Other than that, everything's covered. Oh, one more thing. Our plan is not HSA compatible. Our program works with high-deductible plans, but only those offering office visit and prescription drug copays. Because our plan can be designed to cover large copays, it can also be used with some HMO plans. Who's a good prospect? Obviously, equipment companies, auto dealerships, homes for women, but this plan will work with a wide variety of businesses such as hospitals, municipalities, manufacturing, financial organizations, and educational institutions. And while we write groups as small as 5 lives, 50-plus groups with almost any carrier are a great prospect. So employers save money, employees get to choose their own physicians, and agents don't lose commission dollars for their cost-saving ideas. Win, win, win. How do you get an insured HRA quote? The process is so easy. Just visit our website to obtain our quote request form. We only need the following: current plan rates and plan design, renewal rates, provide us alternate rate and plan design for high deductible plans. We don't need any age census, just the number of singles, couples, and families. That's it. Summary. We utilize a high deductible strategy to significantly lower premiums. But unlike an HRA, we eliminate the employer's unknown claims risk, and the employer knows from the beginning what his or her guaranteed savings are. Unlike a typical HRA, there are no federal HRA regulations to worry about or comply with, and it's compliant with national health reform. Remember these 3 talking points: eliminates employer unknown claims risk, level monthly cash flow, guarantees savings. And the icing on the cake is that unlike a typical HRA, our product pays you level commissions. Before you renew any group, before you see your next prospect, before you consider a typical HRA, consider our insured HRA. Please contact us by phone or email to discuss any group quote you are considering or with any questions. Just click on our contact link on this website. Once you see the savings you can create, we believe you will be showing the insured HRA to every prospect on every renewal, every time. Thanks again, and have a great afternoon.